In this video, you'll learn how to delete a page in Notion. This guide will walk you through each step to ensure you understand the process clearly and can manage your pages effectively. Begin by navigating to Notion and signing into your account. Once logged in, locate and open the specific page you wish to delete. It is essential to ensure that you genuinely want to remove this page permanently. Verify that you have the necessary editing permissions for the page, as this will allow you to make changes. Take a moment to review the content of the page to avoid losing any important information inadvertently. This initial preparation is crucial before proceeding with the deletion. Next, direct your attention to the top right corner of the Notion interface, where you will find a 3-dot menu icon. Click on this icon to reveal a drop-down menu. From this menu, select the option labeled Delete. Upon selecting this option, the page will be moved to the trash section. Keep in mind that deleted pages are not permanently erased immediately, which provides you with a temporary opportunity for recovery if necessary. This action effectively removes the page from your active view. After moving the page to the trash, you will want to manage your deleted pages. To do this, look for the trash section within the sidebar of Notion. Click on it to open and view the list of pages you have recently deleted. Here, you will find the page you just moved to the trash. You will have the option to either permanently delete this page or restore it back to its original location. It is crucial to confirm your choice carefully, especially if the page contains critical information that you may need in the future. If you choose to permanently delete the page, proceed with the confirmation prompt that appears. This action cannot be undone, so ensure that you are completely certain before finalizing the deletion. On the other hand, if you opt to restore the page, simply click the restore option and the page will be returned to its previous state. This versatility allows you to manage your content effectively and recover any mistakenly deleted information. That wraps up today's guide on how to delete a page in Notion. Thanks for watching and catch you in the next tutorial.